Yeah, what's up, guys? Chris Coombs here running my video for the 3-card Luis Robert rookie lot. So you got the 2 Topps rookies and the insert rookie. Got our list right here. We got Walker for 1, Ryan for 1, Billy for 1, Dallas for 1, Dave for 1, Ryan for another 1, Paul for another 1, or for 1, Dallas for 1, Dave for 1, and Walker for another 1. Alright, copy this list. And we're going to go live. Live time is 9:45. Current time is 9:45. We'll drop our list in here. There we go. There. Alright, roll the dice. Anything over Snake Eyes gets us going. Here we go. Alright, 9 times. We're going to go 9 times at 9:45. Here we go. First time, we got Dallas. Second time, we got Ryan. Third, we've got Ryan. Fourth, we've got Billy. Fifth, we've got Ryan. Sixth, we've got Dallas. Seventh, we've got Dallas. Eighth, we've got Ryan. Ninth and final time at 9:46. Winner is Dave. Takes it with spot number 9. Congratulations, Dave. You got it. Some of your info, I'll get that out to you. There's our verification code. We're going to come back here. We're going to type in done. I want to thank you all for getting in. Done time was 9:46. Current time is 9:46. Have a great night, guys.